Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to view your purchase history on Temu app. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that you download the Temu app or update your Temu app to the latest version so you won't face any issue following these steps. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my browser, and basically what I'm gonna do, and if you want to see what you bought from Temu, on the orders page, you're gonna find the order that you want to track and click on the product image or the space next to it to see your order details. So if you want right here to go to your images, you're gonna be able right here to click on new, and then basically at the below you're gonna be able to see right here your orders, and you're gonna be able to see your active orders, and you're gonna be able to see your recent purchases from Temu app. So basically you're gonna be able right here to see a demonstration, all of your orders, processing, shipped, delivered, and all that. So all of the information you're gonna find it in the your orders category. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media. See you.